Oh, here we are today with the Stihl MS441. We're putting a new chain on, and we're going to do that now. So first of all, we're going to turn the saw over, then we're going to loosen these two bolts, or two nuts, sorry. Like so. And remove the chain cover. We should slacken off the chain a bit as well. Take the cover off and take the chain off like this, and then take the chain off of the bar like that. Get your new chain, make sure you put it on the right way around so that the blade is facing forward. Here, it's facing forward. When you put the chain on it, it's the right way around, otherwise you won't be cutting much at all. It's a bit fiddly to get into position, but then you sort of hook it on like so, like this, and then line it up with a pin. You do get it lined up with the pin. Bring the pin back a bit more so it fits a bit easy by undoing this screw. And I said these can be a bit fiddly. Nevertheless, if you persevere, line this pin up. Like that. Make sure it's in place, and just nip that up a little bit so it doesn't fall off. Then you get the cover and you put it back on, hold it in place, put the nuts back on. It's always a good idea, like on this one, I changed the, when I took the cover off, I give it a good clean out beforehand, make sure everything was running nicely in there.
And how would you clean it out usually?
Well, I personally use an airline, but you can use a brush. I think the airline's more effective. And you just watch your eyes a bit. It's always a good idea to wear eye protection.
So what are you doing here then? I'm
just tensioning the chain so it's not too tight. Bearing in mind it will tighten up a bit as soon as you do these bolts up.
Okay, so what would happen if you tighten that too much?
Well, if the tension's too much, it'll wear the bar and the bearings in the bar and the bearings on the chain gear.
And if it's too loose?
It can come off. It's always worth noting as well that when you put a new chain on, that it does take quite a bit of adjustment. When you start using it at first, you'll find that the chain stretches really quick, so it's a good idea to take some tools with you. So once you've got it on there like that, put the chain brake on. Just nip those up. You need to put a bit of upward pressure on the bar when you do this. Pick it up like that. Do it to be just a tad tighter than that. Like so. Just hold the bar up and do up the bolts, just nip them like that. And then you can lock them up. You really want to use the pressure of use the bench to sort of hold the bar up as you do it up. Like so. And that should have about that much slack on it. So you can pull it away, but it's not slack in the middle. And take the brake off and check it rolls freely like it does. That's fine.
Well, jobs are good, eh?
Jobs are good and ready to go.
Perfect. Nice.
And that concludes our chain change on the MS441. Thank you for watching and keep subscribing.
Yeah, and we'll upload plenty more of how-to videos. Just put a comment down below. Tell us what you want to know. Thanks for watching.